Welcome back to the Useful Apps channel. In this video, we're going to look at this crazy software called 192 AI, which lets you run your own local LLMs instantly. What are LLMs? AI, ChatGPT, all of those models. You can just chat offline with complete privacy. You can launch a server and an API key in one click. I'm about to show you a demo in a minute to show you how it's possible to literally have your own server, your own AI server, and your own API keys, which you can then use in your apps offline. So you don't have to pay ever again for AI when you're using it locally. When you're using it on your computer, you have to pay for it. And not only that, you can plug it into your apps offline, so you never have to actually pay anyone for the use of AI. This is perfect for developers or people who just want complete privacy when they're using these LLMs and chatting to them. You know what I mean by privacy. When you really want to get nitty-gritty with these LLMs, maybe get some therapy for very deep things, you can do that and no one will ever know because everything is private on this specific app, 192 AI. The key features I have to mention are the one-click server API. In one click, you have a server ready, a 192. That's why the name of the app is 192 AI, because it allows you to have a one-click server and an API keys created. You can create API keys. You know the ones that you get from Gemini and ChatGPT? You can create those in one click. It's user-friendly. It's open source. It uses very fast models. And it's compatible with CPUs. It doesn't even require a GPU. But if you have a GPU, sometimes it will work with it. So let's check it out. To download it, it's a free download. But once you download it, you do have to buy a membership. Sorry, not a membership. It's a one-time payment of $29 right now anyway. And then you can use it forever, literally on all of your projects on one specific computer. Now, before we move on, let's have a look at the software. I'm going to open it right now. So here it is right now. I've actually started using it already, having a laugh with it. And so when you arrive, you have to click verify. But after that, you can literally create a server. So to create a server, let me just show you how that looks over here. Start API server, then you have a server over here. And then you can create API keys just by clicking here. There we go. I just created another API key, and then I can then test the server by using these raw, requests basically from the server. Meaning that if you're a programmer or a developer and you want an offline API with a server at this address, then this is the app you need, because it also has the Python code for the request. Have a look at over here. It literally will work on offline, whether you have internet on or off. This is going to work for you. So this is completely private. This is perfect for anyone who needs to build apps or develop apps offline. Let's run a test using curl as well, just to see that that works. The prompt is tell me a 10-word story, as you can see over here. And then the little girl found a hidden treasure in the woods. That's the quick story that it's written. Now, in the chat interface, you can create a new chat and you can choose the system prompt. Now, for those of you who don't know, you can tell ChatGPT how to behave. So you can create a system prompt like translate everything I type into French, yeah, for example. So that's the system prompt. So now every time I type something into this box, like, hello, how are you? What's your name? It's going to translate it. Now, this is all being done offline. Remember, this is costing me nothing. And not only that, I can add more conversations over here so that whenever I need to, use them in the future, I can then use them in the future, and it's all for free. This is one of the amazing things about this, is the privacy aspect. You're going to be able to chat with AI about things that you would never dare speak to it about when you're online. And another thing I want to mention is the model being used here is extremely good. And we have another model that you can optionally download, which is extremely permissive. But that's obviously your choice. And you will be able to upload that to here, and then you'll be able to use a much more permissive model, which will literally talk to you about absolutely anything. So over here is where you talk, the chat interface. Over here is where you choose your model. When you first come here, just click download Llama free. When you click that, it will literally instantly download the model. And once it's done, you just click run the model and you're ready to start using it. Absolutely incredible. It's not free, it's $29 or so, but it's going to be a lifetime investment for you to be able to then chat to ChatGPT privately forever, offline. No one will ever know. And once you've finished and you just want to hide everything that you've talked about, yes, I'm genuine, I'm just saying it as it is, you click delete all chats and they are gone forever, and nobody can ever see what you've spoken to ChatGPT about. So the model that comes installed when you click download Llama 3 is a regular model. It's the one with restrictions. But if you want, we might give you a link within the download. Once you pay the fee and you verify, we will send you the download link to a more permissive model. Of course, it's your choice if you want to download that. We don't take responsibility for permissive models. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.